On the flame of records and reparations to reach for in this living stillness, inescapable emptiness draining sparkles of sustenance out of all I've witnessed, except for when captivated by the descriptive nature of December as nighttime loses her lifelines and I close my eyes to lunar confessions. I feel her and me wearing ourselves down together. Like shatter where stress seeps into silent nights, absence of sound, too heavy an atmosphere to last, where excruciating insights reject protected peace which was once abounding, apathy anticipating our desperation for her imperfect company. The descriptive nature of December denies me nothing in dream revelries. If only these biting winds would seize their claim on me, I may well write out aloud until she transforms our universe permanently.